From a fight that could cost him $30 freaking million to the fact that the guy has no energy left in him to continue playing golf, Tiger Woods' legal battle with his ex is turning ugly, and he really can't afford it getting as bad as it is, because it could drain him of $30 million. You see, folks, Tiger Woods' life is full of one controversy after another. It's almost as if the guy's allergic to staying out of the spotlight. And now, his legal battle against an ex-girlfriend, Erica Herman, is turning ugly. You see, folks, Erica is claiming that Tiger started a relationship with her while she was an employee at his restaurant, and then made her sign an NDA for obvious reasons. Now guess what? Erica wants to void that NDA. She wants it to go away so she can spill. Considering the fact that she wants it voided so badly is not good news for Tiger, because that means she's got something on him. Something dirty. Something that could ruin his reputation more than he's already done himself. And now, it's all getting a little too complicated to keep track of. Tiger's a smart man, because in the NDA it's quite clearly stated that disputes between the two should be settled privately by an arbitrator, not in the court. Yikes. So isn't it contradictory that she's in court trying to void the agreement? Well, not really. Because folks, Herman argues that the NDA can't be enforced anymore, because of a law that states that such contracts are void when harassment has occurred. Wait, harassment? Okay, so remember how I mentioned she was a waitress at his restaurant when the pair began their relationship? Well, Benjamin Hodas, her attorney, claims that since Woods implied that he would fire her if she didn't sign the contract was harassment. Here's what he said on the matter. A boss imposing different work conditions on his employee because of their sexual relationship is sexual harassment, but Woods' attorneys aren't going to let this slide. J.B. Murray, Tiger Woods' lawyer, stated that the pro golfer has never sexually assaulted or harassed Miss Herman. He called her accusations completely meritless. Herman, on the other hand, wants Elizabeth Metzger, the judge overseeing this case, to either void the NDA or at least let her know what she can and cannot say publicly. For example, can Erica discuss anything that happened before she signed the NDA? Or can she talk about anything that happened after her breakup with the golfer? She also wants to know if she can share information that she learned from others about Tiger Woods with the public. Erica also states that her contract pretty much just covers her working relationship with Woods, and that's it. Now the thing is, Tiger's not an idiot. Okay, he might make some questionable decisions, but it's almost always taken care of, cause he's rich. So he's pretty much got the best legal team there is, and there's no freaking way his lawyers would ever let in a loophole like that to sneak into the agreement. Even now, he's got enough legal firepower to make this all go away. Interestingly though, this isn't all. You see guys, Erica Herman is separately suing the trust that owns Woods' mansion. So folks, he's got a mansion, of course it's Tiger Woods, and his former partner is now suing the trust that owns it. According to Herman, Tiger verbally promised her in 2017 that she could live there for at least 11 years. So if that promise held, she would have been living there till at least 2028. But did he let her do that? Nope. He kicked her out in just 5 years. The way he did that was extremely messy. You see, Erica was told to get ready for a small getaway trip, something that the couple often did. She then packed her bags, and since it was a short trip, she packed light and left for the airport. When she reached, Tiger's lawyer was present there, breaking up with her on his behalf. The lawyer then went on to tell her that she can't live in Tiger's $95 million mansion anymore. So in her unlawful eviction lawsuit against the trust, she's asking for $30 million, which is the same amount of money it would cost to rent a property like that for 6 years. The problem with that is the fact that it was all verbal. So it's more of a he said, she said kind of situation. If she could have managed to produce a recording or even a text from the guy promising her that she can live for 11 years, it might have worked in her favor. But this really won't. Because remember, as I mentioned earlier, he's got a super strong team. Plus, this case gets a little more complicated as it unravels. When Hodas filed the lawsuit against the trust in October 2022, he checked a box saying that the case does not involve sexual abuse. However, when he filed a lawsuit in March 2023, he checked the box stating that the case does involve abuse. That doesn't bode too well for Erica since her lawyer can't even seem to explain this extremely apparent discrepancy. Plus, on top of that, the pair can't even agree on when their romantic relationship began. Woods hired Erica in 2014 to help him build and operate his sports bar and restaurant. Herman says that the relationship started in 2015 and that in late 2016, she moved into his house. Tiger, on the other hand, claims that their romantic relationship began in 2017, and shortly after that happened, she moved in with him. When she moved in with him, the NDA was signed. 2017 was also the year when Woods placed the mansion into the Jupiter Island Irrevocable Homestead Trust. This trust has only 3 beneficiaries: Tiger Woods and his 2 kids. And it's interesting to see how he avoided giving her a single penny. Because in late September 2017, the pair were seen together for the first time. Since then, she had been a massive part of his public life. She was even with him when Donald Trump awarded him with the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2019. So to go from that to this is kind of surprising, to be honest. On top of it all, it seems like the judge isn't taking Erica's side either, because the judge ruled in Tiger Woods' favor in May 2023. The judge has rejected Erica's entire bid to nullify the NDA. Circuit Judge Elizabeth Metzger has said that Erica's claims are implausibly pled. In simple terms, this means that things are going in Tiger's favor, and that Woods can now arbitrate the matter privately, as it was originally stated in the NDA. The judge stated that Herman hasn't yet provided any factual specificity for any claim relating to any kind of sexual misconduct. Yikes! It does seem like Erica's not going to have an easy time trying to get what she wants from the golfer. 'Cause now, no matter what, she must follow the NDA. This means that she legally can't talk about the golfer or any of the bad things he might have done. And as far as the $30 million are concerned, it's unclear as of May 2023 how that's going to turn out. But hey, stay tuned in to find out. Tiger and his team will do everything in their power to make sure they don't have to give the money. 'Cause you see, while the guy is worth over $1 billion, he also might be forced into retirement soon. Okay, this might seem a bit too far-fetched, but the entire reason why I'm saying this is because his caddy, Joe LaCava, has moved on. He's now going to be working with Patrick Cantlay, and the problem with that is his caddy left because Woods hasn't been playing consistently, and honestly, it's starting to look like he won't be able to do that in the future either. LaCava has been such a loyal part of his crew that his leaving shows that Woods might just be done. Look, he hasn't officially talked about retiring, and a lot of his fans don't think he will, but he couldn't even complete the 2023 Augusta Masters. Granted that the weather was horrible, but him not playing any major tournaments and his caddy leaving are not good signs for the guy. However, if you ask officially, then yes, Tiger Woods does plan to tee it up again. Plus, LaCava himself has claimed that the pro golfer is years away from an official retirement. But then this begs the question, if things are so good, then why leave? So from the fact that the guy just can't seem to play well anymore, to a hefty lawsuit, this was everything on Tiger Woods' legal battle with his ex that has turned ugly.